If you do love white support fruit like I do, then you've come to the right place. Today we are going to do grafting on this fruit so that we get to reduce the time it takes for the plant to start fruiting, and also to make the fruit tree shorter so that it will be easier to pick the fruits in the long run. Grafted this tree 2 months ago, and you can see it's faring on very well. We're just waiting for the fruits, and if we can take a closer look, you can see that the graft union has healed. Remember to subscribe, but until the next video, ciao and keep growing.